disadvantages. What are the good things about oil? Oil is one of the most important energy resources on our planet. Oil is not difficult to produce because of low-cost locations, and refining of oil to get products like diesel and petroleum is also quite easy. Oil is widely distributed all around the world by rail, sea tankers, and pipelines. Unlike wind and solar energy, oil can produce power 24/7 and is highly reliable to work with. Power stations which use oil are more efficient than any other power sources that currently exist. Finally, oil has high energy density, which means that a small amount of oil can produce massive amounts of energy. Even though oil is a non-renewable resource, it is used more than any other resource on Earth. Disadvantages. What are the bad things about oil? The first large disadvantage of oil are the release of greenhouse gases, which oil is burnt and it releases sulfur dioxide, which is a toxic gas. It has an irritating smell. It can also be released by volcanoes, and people refill 76 million of barrels per day. Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases. Burning oil also causes water and air pollution. This even made acid fall from the sky. Oil leads to production of very harmful and toxic materials during refining. Plastic is one of the worst substances that we ever knew. Every advantage is followed by a disadvantage. How is oil formed? Oil is a non-renewable resource which takes millions of years to form. For millions of years, microscopic plants and animals which die sink to the bottom of the deep blue ocean. Here, layers of sediment and other plants and bacteria were formed. The plankton that lived in the Jurassic period 180 millions of years ago made our crude oil. Over millions of years, heat and pressure gradually turned mud into rock and the dead animals and plants into oil and gas. Oil is held in tiny spaces in underground rock, like water in a sponge. Microscopic plants and animals are responsible for creating oil, which is the most popular energy resource used today. Hope you learned something from this presentation. The end.
Rewind YouTube style.